guys, I'm back again with another extremely simple yet effective DIY face oil which can actually be doubled as a body oil. And since we have Holi upcoming in the next few days, you can actually incorporate this in your pre-Holi skincare routine on your face as well as on your body. So for starters, I'm going to take a measuring beaker. You can use a bowl at home or any sort of small cup or glass that you have. As the base oils, I'm going to be using two very effective oils, not only for anti-aging but also for the nourishment and hydration of the skin. So the first step is take your apricot oil, pour it into the measuring cup, half teaspoon, and you can go ahead and pour it in your measuring pan. Then take the second oil, which is a primrose oil. Again, half teaspoon would do the trick. Pour it again in your container. And the last step is you can actually add another carrier oil. I'm actually going with avocado just for sort of extra nourishment. Again, measure it to half teaspoon and pour it all in the container. Then we can sort of go ahead and mix all the three using a spoon that you may have, or you can just sort of swirl it around. As the last step, which is again optional step, I'm going to be adding a couple of drops of the Gardenia oil just to give it that really fresh, rosy feel. And we're all set. We have a face/body oil which you can use it handily anytime that you want. It's good for all seasons, and because this is an oil formulation, it's actually good for 1 year without adding any extra preservatives to it. And we're all set. The oil is completely absorbed into the skin, giving it a very silky, hydrated feel. So try it at home, let me know how you guys liked it, and I'll be back again next week with more DIY formulation.